Hello and welcome to DigiTrybe. This is a digital space for online entrepreneurs. In today's video, I'll be showing us some data entry job sites that you can get started with today and start making money for yourself. These are free sites that you can register with, and the amazing part is that these sites accept people worldwide. So whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Kenya, you are in South Africa, you are in Lesotho, you are in anywhere in the world, China, anywhere in the world, you can easily register with any of these sites, start accepting jobs, delivering these jobs, and start making money for yourself. So if you are new to my channel, this is DigiTrybe, a digital space for online entrepreneurs. I will appreciate if you can just hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, because in this channel you come here to learn a skill that will make you money for life, and you go out there to create your own and start making money for yourself. And for those who are returning subscribers, I really want to appreciate you for always supporting my work. I want to say a very big thumbs up to you for always coming back to support my work. I hope you have subscribed. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up in this video, and leave a valuable comment in the comment section below. So with that said, now let's go back to the video of the day. But before we even look at these sites, let us look at data entry jobs entirely and see what it entails. So like I said here, I said, what is data entry job? What is data entry job? Now this is what data entry job is all about. Whether you are a professional, you are a beginner, this is what it is all about. Data entry professionals are people who uses computers and data processing programs to enter information into a database or documentation platform. It could be your phone. That is why you say data processing program. It could be your phone, because some of the data you will even be doing can be taking pictures, just taking a snapshot of something. So that is some of the data you will also be doing. Data entry job description may also include transcription and recording on your phone or conversation. You understand what I mean? You can do transcription as a data entry job. You can also record something on your phone, or you can even have a phone conversation. So these are all data entry jobs. So this is all about data entry job. Now with that said, what do you need as a data entry professional? All you need is either a computer or your phone, a good internet connection, and in some cases a good headphone if you are doing the transcription job or an audio listening and then converting. So you will need a good headphone if you are doing that. And another thing too that you should master is a good typing skill. So with that said, let's look at some of the list of data entry jobs you can accept or you can offer. Some of them could be a plain data entry job, maybe basic, others can be basic typing. You can have word processing jobs. You can have data cleaning job. That's cleaning of data. Cleaning of data means maybe they give you a data and then there is so many typos, so many errors, so many things in the information, and they want you to just clean it up and bring out the real meat of the data. So that is data cleaning. Online filling of forms, online survey. So data entry jobs are actually categorized in different categories. We have the online part, which is maybe you want to take an online fill form in online, take an online survey. Those are the online part. We also have the micro part, which is like, for instance, the micro part could be capture entry, it could be copy and paste, it could be captioning. So those are the micro part of data entry. Those ones, they don't really pay much, but you earn something from it cumulatively. If you're fast to do all these things, you could earn lots of money from it. And then we have other parts, which are the formatting part, the editing part, which are all these ones, and the transcribe. Those are the ones that you really make money from. So now that I have shown you what data entry job is, the types of data entry jobs you can do, you can just go on, learn, get a skill about any of these and start offering it as a data entry professional, and then you start making money, good money for yourself. Now let's now dive into the list of the data entry sites that you can register with. So the number one on my list is Amazon Mechanical Turk, simply put as MTurk. So Amazon Mechanical Turk is one of the popular places that people go to register to become a data entry professional. And all of these jobs you see here that I mentioned here, people offer them on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now this is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Come here, you can see how it works. MTurk, like I said, simply put MTurk, that's Amazon Mechanical Turk. So this is basically how it works. Either you are requesting a task or you are working on Amazon Mechanical Turk. So if you're working, it means you'll be given a job to do, and then when you deliver the job, you get paid. You understand? When you deliver the job, you get paid. Now let's look at some of the jobs you can get on Amazon Mechanical Turk and how much they can pay. But before we look at that, for you to get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk, all you need to do is to come here, sign up as a worker. You can see here, don't sign in as a requester, sign in as a worker, which is this one. So when you click on sign in as a worker, if you have an account, you have to sign in using that. If you don't have, you now have to do what? To create an account. So when you create an account, if you have an Amazon account before, there is no need to create a new account. Just use the Amazon account to get started with. Now let's come to their hits, or how much the works that they have and what you can earn from them. Now when you are signed in, like this is my own account, you can see here, this is Ella Jones, says sign out, as you can see here. So when you sign in, you will see this hits, you see your dashboard, you see your qualifications. Now when you click on hits, you will see the number of jobs. Some of the jobs will be easy for you to access, but those ones might not really pay you much. To just be in cents. Some of them will be in cents, maybe 10 cents, 50 cents, 20 cents. But the ones that you have to qualify for, those ones you earn good money from them. Like this one, you can see this one is $25, this one is $22, and so I just sorted this to show us those ones. This one is $10, as you can see. So if I click here and sort it based on the lowest, starting from the lowest, you will see, let's just wait for it to load. You can see how poor all these jobs are. It's not even up to 10 cents. You can see here now it says accept to work, it says accept to work. So you don't really want to focus on all of these ones here, so you can sort. But before you can do this, you have to get qualified, guys. You have to get qualified. You can also sort to still get the one that will pay you $1, $2, $3, as the case may be. So Amazon Mechanical Turk don't really pay much. That is just the thing. They don't really pay much, especially if you're in this part of the country, maybe in this part of the world, which is Africa. They don't really pay much like that, but you can still give it a try to see if you get qualified for the ones that pay higher. So that is Amazon Mechanical Turk. The next one on my list is Micro Worker. Micro Worker is another good place you can register with and start getting data entry jobs. It's easy to work with, and Micro Worker is nice because they accept people from all over the world. Yeah. Now if you come down to Micro Worker, if you look at all these places, these are the templates. These ones here are just for people who wants to get their job done, who wants to request people to do work for them. So if you want to do that, you can use the template to do all of that. These are just templates. It's not already made work. They are just templates. You can see the templates are so much. So all you need to do to get started with Micro Workers is just to come to this place here and click register. Like I said, Micro Workers accept people all over the world, Africa, Asia, America, anywhere you are, Europe, anywhere you are, you can work on Micro Worker. And the good thing about Micro Worker is that you earn, at least if you're fast enough and you have good skills about data entry jobs, you can earn a decent amount from Micro Worker. The third place on my list here is FlexJob. FlexJob is one of the lucrative places that people rush into to register and then get data entry jobs. FlexJob is big. As you can see here, they have been in the game since 2007. It says it is the number one job site to find vetted remote work from home and flexible job opportunities since 2007. Yes, and one good thing about flex job is that their pay is good. Their pay is not insane. They don't pay you penny like M-Talk. These ones, their pay is good. But the only thing is that sometimes it is difficult to get job on flex job because lots of it the platform is highly competitive. Flex job is highly competitive. You have to know your A game. You have to bring in your A game before you can get jobs from flex job. As you can see here, you see there are a lot of people here, great employers offering remote and flexible jobs. So this is why people like using flex job, because they have good people who are ready to pay good money to these data entry professionals. So all you need to do if you want to use flex job is to come to this place that says sign up. Yeah, flex job is free for everybody to use, and you can use it from anywhere. There is no restriction. There is no restriction. This everything I'm showing you here, you can work from it in anywhere in the world, in anywhere in the world, as long as you have computer, internet access, and maybe your earphone. You can work from anywhere in the world. There is no restriction. So you just come to sign up, click sign up, fill the form on flex job. Sometimes it may take time for them to actually for you to actually get accepted, but when you get accepted, you now need to opt your game so that you can get good jobs from flex job. So this is flex job. Now Appin is another place on my list here. I use Appin a lot. I have an Appin account, but one thing with most of the jobs you get from Appin, if you are in this area, is this: their pay is not also that mouth watering, but if you can cover a lot of job in a day, then you are good to go. You have good money, for you make good money for yourself. Some of the pay is not much. And then another thing too with Appin is that some of the jobs that you might get might be something that you might not really want to feel free doing. Like some of the jobs I get from Appin, they will tell me, okay, we want you to record yourself dancing, we want you to record yourself maybe talking, we want you to record yourself maybe doing exercise, just all those kind of job. And for someone who is not good at dancing, how do you expect me to take such job? So it all depends on you, which which one you are okay with doing. So if you're okay dancing, if you're okay doing all those ballet things, all those normal, flipping and all those kind of things, it's good for you. It's good. It's a good place for you to start, because you're going to make good money doing all of that. So this is Appin. I have an Appin account. You can register at Appin. They have a good background. They are the jobs you get from there, they are good jobs. So all you need to do to start with Appin is to click this client login. But before we click on the client login, let's look at some data here. If you look at this place, it says what data types. You see here image, videos, audios. So these are the data types types of jobs they will send to you to do. So depending on your qualification, or depending on the kind of job you are willing to accept and do, all you need to do is to accept and then deliver. Now this is it. So all you need to do to get started is click on client login, which is here. Now if you click on client login, what happens is it will bring you up to this sign in. Now since you don't have an account, all you now need to do is to click on don't have an account, sign up. So when you hit this sign up, it takes you to here. You now sign up. Now before I leave Appin, let me just show you real quick the nature of the jobs on Appin. See it here, say part-time flexible jobs, work that can be done from anywhere in the world. So now look at here, we have projects, we have micro tasks, and we have survey. Remember from the beginning I told us we have online data entry jobs, we have micro tasks, and then we have the projects. That's the big meat. Now the projects are the big meat. That is where you have the data, the transcription jobs, the editing, the formatting, and all those stuff. Micro tasks are the works you can start now, like taking a picture, sending to someone, and taking a video. Those are micro tasks you can do. Then online online tasks are the surveys and data collections. So these are the categories of jobs you can apply for. So if you want to really make good money from apping, you can try applying for their projects, and then if you get accepted, then kudos to you. You start making good money using apping. So that is apping. The next one I have here on my list is Toloka. Toloka is another great place you can register with to get data entry jobs. So the rest of the data entry site, I'm just going to rush it so that I don't make this video too long. They are just basically the same thing. All you just need to do is to get registered and then get jobs and start delivering these jobs. Remember, most of these jobs are, they pay you $1, $2, $3, some even in cents. So for you to really make good money from these sites, you need to be able to complete as many jobs as possible for you to make good money. And another good tips I want to also give you is for you to register with as many as you can if you want to stick to data entry jobs and transcription jobs. I have a transcription video where I shared transcription jobs you can apply for. So if you want to stick to these things, guys, register with as many as possible so that you can get several jobs from any different angles, and then at the end of the day, when you put the money together in a month, you can be seeing $500, $1,000, $2,000, as the case may be. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up in this video. Also give me a valuable comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button in this video. Now if you come to Toloka, all you just need to do is to register as a data entry professional, to get to work for them, not as a requester. A requester means someone who wants to request for a job. You understand? If you want to request for a job, this is what you do. You click to register. But you want to register, let me close this. You want to register as a worker. So all you need to do is start any money here. You click on start any money here. When you click on start any money here, let's just open it on a new tab. Okay, so while it's opening, let me just rush through. So this is Toloka. You click on start earning, and then when it opens, you fill your form. Now, how do you payment on Toloka is easy and very, very convenient because they provide several methods of payment for you, and here are their payment method. You can see how can you withdraw your money. Use Scree, Papara, Paper, Payoneer, Query. So these are the method you can use to withdraw your money. You can get a Payoneer account if you're in Nigeria, which is easy to get, unlike Paper and Scree. So just get your Payoneer account and use it to request for money. Then also they have their mobile app, on Google Play Store and App Store. So Toloka is a very nice place for you to start working. Now you can see here, like I said, some of the jobs are micro jobs. You can see you can earn 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, as the case may be. So now when you click on start any money, now it brings you, like I clicked on it, it brings us to this place. Say log in with your Yandex ID. Now you don't have your ID yet, or you now need to create your ID. See it here, just click on create ID, and then it brings you here. It says enter your phone number, and when you enter your phone number, you click on next, and then you complete the form. So I'm just going to rush the rest of it here. Next on my list is Clickworker. This is Clickworker. So Clickworker is another good place you can get started with data entry job. For you to get started, just click on register now. Register here for customer or for Clickworker. So you click on for Clickworkers, and then you get started. Now if you look at Clickworker, Clickworker is everywhere in the world. We have North America, South America, we have Africa. You can see Africa here, even though it's 1%. You can see Oceania here, Asia and Europe. So Clickworker is everywhere. So you can get started with Clickworker and you start making good money for yourself. So this is Clickworker. I don't want to dwell much on this because of time. Now, good thing enough for you on Clickworker, also they have their mobile app, Clickworker app, so you can download it on your phone and start using. So the last one on my list, guys, is Remote Task. Remote Task is another good place you can sign up with to start making money for yourself as a data entry professional. Guys, I believe you have learned so much from this video. So before I go, all you need to do on Remote Task, I don't want to just rush, I don't want to start going into Remote Task. This is Remote Task. You can just come to Remote Task. I'm going to leave the link to all of this in my description box below. So check the description box to see all of this. And if you don't have a Payoneer account, there is also a link for you to create a Payoneer account in my description box. Payoneer account is easy for you to create in Nigeria. So click that link and create your Payoneer account so that you can start earning money online and start receiving the money. And good enough, from your Payoneer account, you can withdraw directly to Nigerian account. So with that said, before I go in this video, I hope you've benefited so much from this video. One tip I will give you before I leave is this: for you to become very good at data entry, you need to be very fast. You need to know how to type very fast. So try to increase your typing speed. So try to increase your typing speed. To do that, all you need to do is to come to typingtest.com, and then start taking the test. You can start with 1 minute test. From 1 minute you can expand to 10 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on what you want to do. You can see expand to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So take the test. You can start with the easy test. There are easy tests, okay, this is easy test, medium test, hard test. So you can start with any of them and then see how your speed improves. As your speed keep improving, that is how your chances of getting good jobs will also improve, and that's how you keep making more money as a transcriptionist or as a data entry professional. I believe you have gotten value from this video. Please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. Do not forget to also subscribe to my channel. This is DigiTrybe, a digital space for online entrepreneur. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.